Over 500 houses have been submerged in water following 3 days of torrential rainfall in 2 counties in Northern Bahr el Ghaza state, displacing unspecified households and destroying crop farms. The state information minister William Enyuan said days of heavy rain from Sunday to Wednesday submerged homes in Oil North and Oil East counties. All the houses and crops were submerged with rainwater, and the humanitarian situation is bad, and the route linked the state with Sudan was destroyed by water, Enyuan said. Unspecified hundreds of people were displaced as a result. The flash floods, resulting from days of heavy rains in the northern part of the country, could trigger the 4th consecutive year of seasonal flooding in the country. Floods in Northern Bahr el Ghaza state. Courtesy photo. Reports by UN OCHA said many parts of South Sudan experienced extreme flooding over the past 3 years, with 835,000 people affected by flooding in 2021 alone. According to Minister Enyuan, the displaced have relocated to higher grounds, with their livestock sheltering on the main roads. About 500 houses were destroyed by water and the people and livestock are taking shelter in high land and at the roadside, he told iRadio. Many farmers are crying because most of their acre sorghum and simsim were submerged by water. The started Sunday and contusion for 3 days. Minister Enyuan said the Merom road linking Northern Bahr el Ghaza with Sudan was badly